Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how to delete your Facebook account permanently. So first things first is you sign in and then you go to your profile, then you go to settings and privacy and then settings, and then from here you go to see more in account center, or you just access your account center. From here you go to personal details and then account ownership and control, and then deactivation or deletion. And then you choose your account. Sometimes you have more than one account, or you have like Facebook pages, like business pages, or an Instagram account linked, everything. So you choose your account you want to delete, and then you decide between deactivation or deletion. We're gonna delete the account permanently. See, deleting your account is permanent, blah blah blah. So we choose that. Continue. Anything, just pick something, and then you read that. Continue. You read that. If you wanna save posts because it's gonna be deleted. If you want to download your information, transfer your information. Then you continue, and then you put your passwords in, and then it's gonna deactivate your account for 30 days, and then it's gonna be deleted permanently with everything: DMs, comments, history, likes, posts, tags, everything. It's gonna be deleted, everything. So that's it for today. Thank you guys.